AI text-to-video generation has the potential to make you a lot of money. And today I'm bringing you the best free AI text-to-video generator on the market. So let's get to it. But first, I need you to hit that like and subscribe for me. Now, today, I am bringing you the best text-to-video AI generator, and it is called Moonvalley. What you need to do is go to Google and type in Moonvalley AI, or you can just type in the website, which is moonvalley.ai. Once you get there, click try on beta, and it takes you to Discord. I have the Discord app. It is hosted on a Discord server. So if you do not have Discord, just Google Discord or go to Google Play and search it, and you will be able to download it. Just set up an account. It's really easy. Now, once you get Discord installed, go back, click on try beta, and it will take you directly to the Discord app. But since I already have the Discord app, I'm going to go right to it. Now, once you get on the Discord server, click the accept invite. I'm going to click to not accept it because I'm already a member. Now, once you get in, what I usually like to do is I like to scroll. It allows you to look at videos that people have already made. So I like to scroll and look at videos, and whenever I find videos that I really like, I kind of copy the prompting that they do. And as you can see, this AI puts out some really cool videos. I mean, just look at that. I mean, wow, this thing is just awesome. You can see all the detail. Now, it only creates videos that are about 5-6 seconds long at the max. So if you're working on a longer project, you just want to keep that in mind and schedule your shots and your clips according to your project. So when you open up the prompt, you want to hit / and then creation pop up, and then you just tap create, and then you tap on prompt, and then you enter your prompt. Sometimes it'll pop up for you, sometimes not. Now, once you get your prompt, you want to tap style. Now, this will pull up a selection of styles. As you can see, there's comic book, fantasy, manga, realism, and 3D animation. Next, you want to click duration, and this will have 3 options. You can do short, medium, or long. I haven't ever done the short or the medium, but I always do the long, which is about a 5 to 6 second video. And you just hit send the message, and it'll give you a message saying that they're working on it, and you just wait. It usually takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and you can just click out of the Discord server and it will send you a notification whenever your video is ready. So this is the first video that we created, and you can check it out. Pretty cool, huh? You can just tap the dots, the menu, it pulls down the menu, and save, and it'll save it right to your device. I'm obviously doing this on mobile, so it works on mobile. You can do this all on mobile if you want to. Now we're going to do another prompt. The first one, I didn't really do much prompt engineering, just pretty much told it what I wanted. This one will do a little bit more prompt engineering, try and see if we can get some better shots. Again, / create, prompt, then enter your prompt, style, then enter your style, duration, then select the duration. And again, we wait. Now I've come back to it, and this is what we got. Let's check it out, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for me, guys. And listen, next time I will be bringing you a free text-to-image generator, and I love this. It has so many presets. You're gonna love it too. I mean, this is just so awesome. Until next time, guys.